In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Wix to Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website's capability and design, making the leap to Wix Studio might be just what you need. Let's get started with the step-by-step process to make this transition smooth and easy. First, you'll want to head over to Wix Studio. You can do this by searching for Wix Studio in your preferred search engine. Wix Studio is a specialized platform offered by Wix, designed to provide a more dynamic and flexible environment for your web design needs. Once you arrive at the search results, click on the first link. This link should take you directly to the main page of Wix Studio. Landing here means you're only a few clicks away from starting your journey into a more advanced web design experience. On the Wix Studio homepage, you'll notice a Login button prominently placed. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login information. It's important to log in using the same email address associated with your Wix account. This ensures that all your previous project data and settings are seamlessly accessible in Wix Studio. Now go ahead and enter your login details. If you've set up two-factor authentication or any other security measures, make sure you have access to them during this step. A successful login will direct you to a page where you can see your existing projects. This is where you'll notice the transition from standard Wix to Wix Studio. You will be greeted by a more robust suite of tools and options that might take a bit of time to explore, but ultimately empower you to build more sophisticated websites. As you familiarize yourself with the layout, take note of the upgraded features. Wix Studio offers a variety of design and functionality enhancements that are not available in the standard Wix editor. Spend some time exploring these new tools. This might include advanced animations, custom code capabilities, or enhanced styling options. Remember, transitioning to a new platform can be a bit daunting at first, especially with all the new features. But don't worry, Wix Studio is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, much like Wix itself. Spend some time playing around. You'll soon feel right at home. All right, that's all there is to it. Transitioning from Wix to Wix Studio is a straightforward process that opens up a whole world of new design opportunities. With this new platform at your disposal, your web design creativity can truly flourish. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.